distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a very, very good evening to you.
I never met Mzala. But Mzala was one of the leading ANC intellectuals of the 1976 generation. So when we see you here, we absolutely appreciate because it actually gives us hope. To paraphrase Mzala, he would have firmly understood that the fourth industrial revolution should be cooked inside industrialization.
I hope to address you in a way that honors the legacy of Mzala, as well as the liberation movement that came to power with an agenda of academic transformation. I wish to speak here not only as an academic, but as an activist, as Mzala always did, as I pursue questions that mattered to Mzala, but that he was not given the chance to pursue further.
The systemic crisis, which from a Marxist perspective would be the crisis of capitalism. But there is also an epistemic crisis, which is the crisis of the irrelevance of the knowledge which has been dominant for over 500 years. What do we do with that?
Of course, he's talking about the cooking of the rice inside and outside, doing it, at the same time and so on. And Professor Helena is also talking about the insiders and those that are excluded and the issue of who holds the center. And then Professor Kacheni now comes and just kind of says, is Marxism as relevant as it was?
The University of Johannesburg. Rethink, reinvent.